Open a new door to experience joy, freedom, beauty, and strength. The Samsung WW9000. Performance meets design. Design. The allure of deep blue crystal delivers a captivating first impression. Its seamless surface evokes refined elegance. Stepping forward design embraces you. A new level of minimalism. Convenience. Big door simplifies loading. Elevated drum facilitates access. Durable dual hinge for extreme convenience. With auto dispense, you are covered for a whole month with a single filling. Intuitive touchscreen responds to your every wish. Most used learns your washing habits. Favorites remembers your personalized washing routines. With Smart Control, you can control your laundry at any time, from anywhere. Performance. SmartWash takes care of all the details of your laundry by using 4 sensing technologies. Firstly, it measures the load size of your laundry, then automatically supplies the appropriate amount of water and calculates the amount of detergent required and dispenses it accordingly. By sensing the degree of soiling, it adds more detergent and adjusts the washing cycle as necessary. Detergent balls provide you extra detergent care whenever you want. 6 specialty cycles target various types of stains from everyday life. VRTM ensures a quieter washing time with less vibration and noise. Super Speed Wash completes your laundry in just 1 hour, as Twin Water Supply speeds up water filling, and Speed Spray's powerful jets of water shortens the rinse cycle. EcoBubble enables cool wash for remarkable energy savings. Digital inverter motor ensure a long life and less energy consumption. Performance meets design. The Samsung WW9000.